the YouTube channel, Python Tutorials. My name is Srinivas. In this video, I am going to discuss about a string program. The program is to print toggle characters. Print toggle characters in a toggle characters case. Toggle characters case in a given string. Toggle character case in a given string. First of all, what is toggle character? Toggle character means toggle case means okay, to convert the lower case into uppercase, and uppercase into lower case. Convert the characters lowercase to uppercase and uppercase to lowercase. That is called as a toggle character. For example, converting uppercase to lowercase and lowercase to uppercase. For example, this is a hello, HELLO, hello. This is a string. They have given word. This is a given string. String is converted into lower to upper and upper to lower. For example, H is a lower case. This case converting into uppercase. And E is capital letter. This is converting into small letter. XL is lower case, converting lower case. XL is a uppercase, converting into lower case L. And O in lower case, O is converting into uppercase. That's called as a uppercase. Okay. For example, okay, one more example. Python. Okay, this is a Python. This string converting into capital B, capital Y, small t, small h, capital O, and capital L. This is called as a toggle character. This is a given string. This is a given string. Given string converting into toggle case. Any string. Here, first of all, to enter the string. First, to enter the string value. We have to enter a string is equal to one string. Input of s equal to input of enter any string. Enter given string or enter any string. This thing is converting into toggle case. Now the an inbuilt function is available, that is swap case s1 dot s dot swap case of. Okay. Now after conversion, original string is, that means a given string equal to okay comma s is a given string. Okay, print of toggle case characters string equal to, after converting toggle case, the toggle case character string equal to, that is s1. This is a original string is s1. This is a original string. For example, hello is a original string. All in lower case, converting into all into uppercase. For example, one more example. For example, another example. H E L L O. Okay, first letter is capital. The capital is converting into small. The first H is small capital letter, converting into small letter. Second is E small, converting into uppercase. Uppercase L, converting to lowercase L. Lowercase L, uppercase L. Lowercase O, converting into uppercase A. So again, converting one more time. So for example, string of Python. Okay. So here P, Y, T, H, O, all are uppercase. N is only small case. Now the all are converting into lowercase and N into uppercase. All are converting into lowercase and into uppercase. Toggle case character string is. This is a given string. This is a toggle case character string. We are using one inbuilt function, that is swap case. This function, the swap case. Okay, this function is used to convert uppercase convert. This function is used to convert uppercase letters into lowercase and lowercase letters into uppercase. Here guys, up here, this is a toggle case characters program in Python. Okay.